In this video, I'm going to show you how to use HeyGen Video Translate. So the first thing you want to do is create a HeyGen account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can sign up using my link to try HeyGen completely for free. So make sure you check that out, link is down below. Now over here, once you're on the HeyGen website, to actually translate a video, it's gonna be quite simple. First, you want to go to the left over here where it says create video, and you simply want to click on that button. Now after you do that, you're gonna get a few options: avatar video or translate a video. So click on translate a video, and then over here, as you can see, you'll get an option to actually translate it. Now alternatively, over here on the home page, you can see you can create something new. You have the option to actually translate a video over here as well, so you can click that too. It's gonna work the same way. And then from here you have two options. You can either use a YouTube or Google Drive URL. So if you have a URL to a public Google Drive document or file, so a video, or you can of course do it for a YouTube video as well, so we can just paste in the link. This is perfectly good, so we can do that very well. Or you can also drag and drop a video file here, and then you can basically just translate this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually do this right now. So let me just put in a random video of mine over here. I'm gonna drop it, there we go. And then there we go. Now over here you have the option to either quickly translate. You have the quick translate, so you have to select the source language and the target language, or you have the advanced option as well, where you can basically use the advanced features. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select the source language to English, so like this, there we go. Mind you, you do not have to select this, but you can if you want to. I usually do, so the AI has an easier job of how to actually translate this this video over here, so it knows which language to go from to. Okay, you can also add in a transcription in case you have it, but this is a premium feature. And then you have to add in the number of speakers. Again, this can be auto detected, but usually I like to put it as the number of speakers, so it doesn't have to basically detect manually. Now over here, where it says target language, this is the most important part, so you can just type in the language. For this instance, I'm going to do Spanish, and then of course you can just select the languages if you want more of them. I'm just going to go with Spanish, that's it. And if you want additional accents, you'll have to upgrade to a paid plan, okay? So of course, then you'll be able to get different Spanish accents from different regions where Spanish is being spoken as a language. Over here, you also have the option to add in something regarding brands, so like brand voice or something like that. But me, I'm not going to do this right now because I'm just going to create a simple translation. Now over here, you have the advanced options. You can allow the dynamic duration. What this is it improves quality by adjusting video length. You can turn it off to keep the original duration, so I'm just gonna leave this on. And you can also translate audio only, no lip sync in case your video is faceless like mine. You can remove background music if you want to as well. And then you can also output the original video specs, which is also an option if you are a premium user. You can enable captions as well as enhance voice if you want to as well. Now, after you're done with this, after you've set all that, you can simply click on translate. It's going to say 0% uploaded, and then it's going to start slowly uploading your video into their system over here. And once this reaches 100%, it's then going to start processing, and I'm going to show you how that looks like. So this is now 100%. This window is going to close just like that and take you to projects here on the left. Now inside the projects, when this loads up, there we go, it's going to say inline for processing, and then you're going to have to wait like a few minutes. It's usually quite quick, especially if you have the premium plan. So if you upgrade, it's going to be much quicker. And then once this is done, you can just open it up and then download it to your computer, and you'll be able to hear your translated video, which is now in a new language, marked down below over here at the bottom left. Now, of course, the video that's been generated with the free plan will have a watermark, and you can always also just translate the first 3 minutes. So of course, if your videos are longer, you can do this with a free plan, but you're gonna have to get a paid plan over here, which allows you to basically translate videos of up to 30 minutes. You have unlimited videos, etc. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.